Relevate, make the irrelevant relevant. When dealing with complex unsolved problems, issues and challenges, most problem solvers do the most obvious intuitive thing. They look for answers that relate to the problem at hand or what others have done in the past following the norms of the field or industry. Only to find that their approach is short-lived and the problem never actually goes away. If you have experienced a similar outcome, then you need to know about how to relevate. What is relevate? Learning to relevate is quite the opposite of what you would expect. To relevate is to make the irrelevant relevant. It is about making connections when connections don't normally exist. It forces us to look beyond the obvious and makes us look outside of our fields for answers. Example 1. Long time ago, travel luggages had to be carried. Then someone thought about putting wheels at the bottom to make them easier to carry. Originally, wheels and travel luggage have no apparent connection. Yet, when we make the irrelevant relevant, they provide new insights and help make this world a better place. Example 2. The traditional field of archaeology is normally performed close to the ground. Yet when we bring in aeroplanes, we get a totally new perspective to what and where we are digging from the air. A new field called aerial archaeology is opening up new discoveries. Example 3. Aircraft engineers at Boeing, McDonnell Douglas and Airbus are always on a lookout to design better, more efficient planes. One insight they found in this endeavor is to study flying fish, something you would think is totally unrelated to the task at hand. Why is it important? To relevate is very counterintuitive and it has the power to look at existing challenges in new and profound ways. They are the seeds to break through work and can open us to new ways of thinking and new ways of doing. When we see things differently, we see different things. Exercise, how to practice and apply it? Think about the examples we have provided, and see if you can apply a similar way of thinking to one unsolved problem, issue or challenge you are currently facing.